Hello and welcome back to my channel. So I've been seeing a lot of trendy makeup looks around and I've been wanting to create them because they look so fun. And I also got this palette on hand, which is the Makeup Revolution Maxi Reloaded palette, and it has like loads of different fun colours in it. Let me show you. It had loads of different colours in it. And it just looks so fun that I wanted to create a trendy looks with them. And I will be transforming from the first look to the end look, which is this. So keep on watching if you want to see how I created it. And the first trend I want to bring to light is called finger painting. This look consists of very bright and vivid shades such as yellow, pinks and blues painted across the eyelids, making it look like it's an abstract painting. So here I already have my base makeup on and brows to create that fresh canvas to work on. To start, I'll be applying an eye primer by MAC just to help the colours pop a bit more and help it last a bit longer. Then I'll be jumping straight into my Makeup Revolution palette, into this orangey yellow shade. I believe that this look came from New York Fashion Week by someone called Jonathan Cohen. I'll be applying this eyeshadow with a normal eyeshadow brush onto my inner crease line. My focus will only be on the inner crease and leaving my eyelids empty, so it will look like it was painted with fingers. Some of these looks were inspired by the Boots SS20 makeup trend article, and some of these looks were just ones that I've been seeing on Instagram. The look focuses on fresh skin, so the colours of the eyes will pop. The inspiration for this look is like the face is a canvas, and vivid eyeshadows are painted onto the eyes, creating a look like paint on canvas with the rough edges and the bold colour. Although the yellow shade was really nice, but I felt like it didn't pop enough, so I wanted to add in a bit of orange. I basically just applied the orange on top of the yellow, so it'll create a orange shade with a yellow undertone. To keep it really simple, I have curled my eyelashes and applied a black mascara on top, just to define the eyes a little. If you naturally have thick lashes, I feel like you can just curl your eyelashes and leave the mascara step. I do want my eyes to open up really nicely and to make it look more defined, so I've applied mascara on my bottom lashes as well. So that's trend number 1 done. It looks really easy, right? And I love how the end result gave me a really unique and special look. Moving on to trend number 2, twin tones. This look is where you wear two very bright and vivid colours together. To continue this look from the previous one, I'll be using the same orange shade and swiping it all over the lids. This will be the first colour that I'll be using for this look, and I made sure that it's all over my lids so it can give you that bold impact it needed. There will be 2 colours used, one all over the upper eyelid and the other one on your lower lash line. I believe that this trend started in Olivia Rubin's fashion show during New York Fashion Week. To make everything more smooth and blended out, I'll be using a clean, fluffy eyeshadow brush to blend out any harsh lines. Then to make this look pop even more, I'll be using a hot pink magenta shade for the lower lash line. Don't worry about being too precise with it, but just make sure the colour is visible. And that's look number 2 done. I actually really love this look because it's so wearable and bold, and it can be worn outside of fashion shows as well. So onto the 3rd and 4th trend, which I'll be combining into one look. I'll be incorporating a rainbow lids look and a pastel eyeliner into one. To start, I'll be adding this light blue shade onto the lash line to make everything look even more colourful. When I first applied the blue onto my eyes, I realised that the blue is not transferring too well onto the lids, so I decided to spray it with a fixer so it can grab onto the colour a bit more. And by applying this blue, it will help blend in the pastel eyeliner with the rest of the makeup. I've been seeing a lot of these looks on Instagram with their colourful makeup and a pretty pastel eyeliner, so I thought it would be even more fun to combine the two in one. Here I also decided to pick up that purple shade and applying it on the outer corners so it can give me even more colour. I decided to go with purple because orange and purple usually goes really well together, and it will also complement the pink in the lower lash line. With the pastel eyeliner, instead of getting one that's pre-made with a certain colour, I decided to just go in with a white eyeliner from NYX and pat on the colour I want with an eyeshadow. This trick will leave you with so much more room in terms of exploring the colours you want. This white eyeliner is actually thicker than most eyeliners that I've used normally, but the pigment is definitely there. It does dry down a bit wrinkly, like you have a thick paint on your eyes, but it doesn't crack like it used to with this new formula. It is a bit harder to create a very nice and sharp line with this eyeliner since the consistency is harder to work with, and I tend to get it all over my eyelashes as well, which is annoying to clean up. So I advise you to use this before mascara to make the cleanup a bit easier. After applying the eyeliner, I'll be grabbing a green minty shade to apply on top of the white eyeliner, giving me that pastel look. A tip here is to apply the eyeshadows onto the eyeliner when it's slightly wet. Don't apply it when it's too wet because it will smudge the eyeliner, and don't apply it when it's too dry because otherwise it won't stick. Make sure you're just lightly patting in the eyeshadow instead of rubbing it all over, otherwise the eyeliner will come off. If you see fallouts, just brush it off with a brush later on. While doing the eyeliner, I thought I also wanted to add more dimension to the rainbow lids. So I got a bright yellow shade and applied that into my inner corners to brighten up the whole look and give it more dimension. after the pastel eyeliner, I wanted a bit more dimension with my lower lashes as well, so I decided to go in with this red colour and applying this on the outer corners of my lower lash line. Because I was already wearing a mascara while doing the white eyeliner, so to fix that I'll be applying another coat of mascara to cover it up. But of course, if you weren't already wearing mascara, it'll be much easier to clean up. You can just clean it up with a bit of micellar water and a Q-tip. And this is what it looks like. So I hope you have as much fun as I did creating these looks. If you like this video and want to see more, do let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. That's for now. See you in the next video. Bye!